Welcome, fellow travelers. Today we embark on an exciting journey to the enchanting land of Iran, a country brimming with natural beauty and historical wonders. Nestled in the heart of the Middle East, Iran is a treasure trove of diverse landscapes, from towering mountains to sweeping deserts, lush forests to serene coastlines, each with a unique story to tell. Our journey will take us across these breathtaking vistas, revealing the richness and depth of Iran's natural beauty. As we traverse this majestic land, we'll also uncover the rich tapestry of its cultural heritage, woven through thousands of years of history. We'll explore the lush forests of Hyrcanian, the mystical desert of Lut, the majestic Mount Damavand, and the serene Caspian Sea coast, each location a testament to Iran's scenic splendor and its vibrant culture. So buckle up as we delve into the mesmerizing landscapes of Iran, a paradise for any nature enthusiast. Our first stop is the Hyrcanian Forests, a UNESCO World Heritage Site stretching along the southern coast of the Caspian Sea. Imagine setting foot in a world where time appears to have stood still, a world that boasts some of the oldest living organisms on Earth. Welcome to the Hyrcanian Forests, an ancient woodland that has been around for at least 25 million years. This lush green paradise teeming with life is a testament to the resilience of nature. The forest is a lush, verdant haven, a natural masterpiece painted in 50 shades of green. From the towering, moss-covered trees that reach for the heavens to the intricate network of ferns and undergrowth that carpet the forest floor, the Hyrcanian forests are a celebration of life in its most vibrant form. Breathe in the fresh, earthy scent of the forest, a unique fragrance brewed from a mix of ancient trees, rich soil, and the untouched wilderness. Listen to the symphony of sounds, the rustling leaves, the chirping birds, and the distant roar of a waterfall. This is nature's orchestra at its finest. The forests are not just a visual spectacle, they're also home to an impressive array of wildlife. Rare species of lynx, brown bear, and the Persian leopard call this place home, living in harmony with the forest's unique ecosystem. But the real stars of the Hyrcanian forests are its ancient trees. Some of these arboreal giants have been around for over 400 years, silent witnesses to the passage of time. They stand tall and proud, their gnarled trunks and sprawling branches a testament to their resilience. The Hyrcanian forests are a treasure trove of biodiversity, hosting around 180 species of birds and 58 species of mammals. It's a vibrant ecosystem, a living, breathing entity that has been evolving and adapting for millions of years. Yet the importance of these forests goes beyond their biological wealth. They also play a critical role in climate regulation, water purification, and soil conservation, making them invaluable to both the local and global environment. The Hyrcanian forests, a testament to the Earth's age and a sanctuary for nature lovers. From lush forests, we move to the contrasting beauty of the Lut Desert, a mesmerizing expanse of sand and silence. Placed in the heart of Iran, the Lut Desert unfolds a mystical realm that feels almost otherworldly, a dramatic canvas painted by nature herself. The desert is a tapestry of unique features that make it a spectacle to behold. One of the most captivating of these are the sand dunes, reaching heights of up to 475 meters. These are some of the tallest dunes on the planet, a testament to the immense power of the desert winds. It's not just sand that makes up the Lut Desert. Salt plains stretch across vast portions of this arid landscape, shimmering under the relentless sun, creating a surreal, dreamlike panorama that seems to merge with the horizon. These salt plains add a touch of the ethereal to the already enchanting vista, a sight that will leave you in awe of nature's artistry. The desert's real showstopper, however, is the Kalutes. The Kalutes are dramatic sand formations carved by wind erosion over thousands of years. These natural sculptures rise from the desert floor, standing as a testament to time and the relentless forces of nature. Their sharp edges and towering forms create an eerie, otherworldly silhouette against the backdrop of the clear desert sky. The Lut Desert's extraordinary beauty and geological significance haven't gone unnoticed. In 2016 it was recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site, a testament to its unique contribution to our planet's natural heritage. This recognition underscores the desert's significance, not just as a scenic marvel but also as a valuable piece of Earth's geological history. The Lut Desert, a magical realm of sand and solitude, where every grain tells a story. It's a place that invites you to lose yourself in its vastness, to stand in awe of its monumental dunes and salt plains, and to witness the timeless artistry of the Kalutes. This desert is not just a place, it's a journey into the heart of nature's mystique. Next, we ascend to the majestic Mount Damavand, Iran's highest peak and a significant symbol in Persian folklore. This stratovolcano, standing tall at an impressive height of over 18,000 feet, is not just a geographical wonder, but also a bearer of many legends. The mountain's summit, swathed in pristine snow-white glory, is a sight to behold. It's the snow-capped peak that first captures your gaze, a dazzling white contrast against the azure sky. But the mountain isn't all frost and ice, it's also home to multiple hot springs, a testament to its volcanic origins. These hot springs, scattered around the base, form an oasis of warmth in the chilly mountain air. Mount Damavand is not just a natural wonder, it's also steeped in Persian mythology. It's the legendary resting place of Zahak, a tyrannical king-turned-dragon, who was chained within this mountain. This blend of natural beauty and mythology gives Damavand a mystical aura that's quite unlike any other. For those with a thirst for adventure, Damavand offers an unparalleled trekking experience. Each trail on this mountain is a journey in itself, offering varying degrees of challenges and rewards. From leisurely walks through gentle slopes to rigorous climbs that test your limits, Damavand has something for every adventure enthusiast. As you ascend, the landscape shifts and changes, unveiling new vistas and panoramas. Each step you take, each breath of the crisp mountain air, brings you closer to the heart of this majestic volcano. But it's not just the destination, it's also the journey. As you trek through the mountain's terrains, you're treated to a symphony of sights, sounds, and sensations. The rustle of the wind through the rocks, the crunch of snow under your boots, the distant call of a mountain bird. It's a sensory experience that's both exhilarating and humbling. Mount Damavand, a towering beauty, where every trail leads to a breathtaking view. Finally, we arrive at the serene Caspian Sea coast, a haven for relaxation and water sports. This enchanting shoreline is a symphony of sandy beaches that stretch as far as the eye can see, kissed by the gentle waves of the calm Caspian waters. The sand underfoot is a soft golden carpet, warm and inviting, while the sea is a shimmering sheet of azure, dazzling under the sun's radiant gaze. Here, the air is filled with a symphony of sounds that soothe the soul, the rhythmic lullaby of the waves, the whispering wind carrying the scent of the sea, and the distant laughter of people immersing themselves in the joy of the seaside. It is a place where relaxation finds you, whether you're lounging on the beach, taking a leisurely stroll, or simply basking in the sun's warmth. But the Caspian Sea coast is not only about tranquility, it's a playground for those seeking a dash of adventure. Sailing enthusiasts take to the waters, harnessing the wind to skim across the sea's surface. Beach volleyball games spring up spontaneously, creating a lively atmosphere. Kite surfers and jet skiers add an exhilarating note of excitement to the calm seascape. The coast is alive with activity, yet there's a sense of harmony, a balance between tranquility and vibrancy. And then there's the local cuisine, fresh seafood plucked straight from the Caspian, grilled to perfection, and served with traditional Iranian accompaniments. Imagine biting into a succulent kebab of Caspian fish, its flavors enhanced by a sprinkle of saffron and a squeeze of fresh lime. It's a culinary experience that complements the sensory feast of the coast. The Caspian Sea coast, where the azure waters meet the golden sands, promising a memorable end to our Iranian journey. It's more than just a destination, it's a place where nature, activity, and cuisine come together in a mesmerizing symphony, leaving an indelible imprint on the heart of every traveler. And there you have it, a glimpse into the scenic wonders of Iran, a country that has so much more to offer. We journeyed through the lush forests of Hyrcanian, felt the mystical allure of the desert of Lut, stood in awe of the majestic Mount Damavand, and relaxed by the serene Caspian Sea coast. Yet these are but a fraction of the breathtaking landscapes that Iran boasts. Imagine the stories waiting to be discovered in the winding lanes of its ancient bazaars, the architectural marvels of its historic mosques, or the vibrant modern pulse of its bustling cities. Each corner of this diverse nation offers something unique, something that stays with you, urging you to return, to explore more. We hope you enjoyed this journey. Which part of the world would you like us to explore next? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, as your support helps us bring more of these travel gems to you. Until next time, keep exploring.